Flying fish are truly remarkable creatures. These small yet extraordinary fish have captivated the imagination of many with their unique abilities and behaviors. They inhabit the sunlit layers of the open ocean, a world away from the seafloor. This vast open expanse of water is their playground, where they navigate the currents and waves with ease. These fish possess an extraordinary ability. Unlike most fish, they can break free from the confines of the water. They can launch themselves into the air, gliding above the waves for astonishing distances. This incredible feat allows them to cover significant distances in a short amount of time. Their elongated pectoral fins, resembling wings, make this feat possible. These fins act like wings, catching the air and allowing the fish to soar above the water's surface. Flying fish are widely distributed in warm waters around the globe. They thrive in the warm, nutrient-rich waters that provide ample food and ideal conditions for their unique lifestyle. They favor tropical and subtropical regions of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. These regions offer the perfect environment for flying fish to flourish. These fish are a vital part of the marine ecosystem. They play a crucial role in the food web, serving as both predator and prey. They serve as prey for larger fish like tuna, dolphins, and seabirds. This makes them an essential link in the oceanic food chain, supporting a diverse array of marine life. The survival of flying fish is intertwined with the health of our oceans. A healthy ocean ensures the continued existence of these fascinating creatures. Understanding their life cycle and the challenges they face is crucial. Researchers and marine biologists study flying fish to gain insights into their behavior, reproduction, and migration patterns. This is especially important due to their significant role in the global fishing industry. Flying fish are not only a marvel of nature but also a valuable resource for many coastal communities. Billions of these fish are caught annually. They are harvested for their meat, which is a staple in many cultures around the world. They play a vital part in the economies and diets of many nations. From local markets to gourmet restaurants, flying fish are a sought-after delicacy. Their ability to fly is not just a spectacle, it is a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of life in the ocean. It is a survival mechanism. By leaping out of the water, flying fish can escape from predators that lurk beneath the surface. It allows them to evade predators lurking beneath the surface. This unique adaptation gives them a fighting chance in the perilous world of the open ocean. They leap from the water, spreading their wings to ride the wind. This breathtaking display is a perfect example of nature's ingenuity. This behavior makes them a fascinating subject of study and a marvel of the natural world. Scientists continue to be intrigued by the flying fish's unique adaptations and their role in the marine ecosystem. The pursuit of flying fish is a specialized form of fishing, one that has been honed over centuries. It requires a deep understanding of their behavior and migratory patterns, which are influenced by various environmental factors. Fishermen rely on centuries-old techniques, passed down through generations, ensuring that the knowledge and skills remain intact. These methods vary depending on the region and the scale of the operation, with each community adapting to their unique environment. In some parts of the world, traditional methods prevail, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of fishing communities. Fishermen use small boats and handheld nets, which allow them to navigate shallow waters and reach areas larger vessels cannot. They often work at night, using lights to attract the fish, a technique that takes advantage of the fish's natural behavior. The flying fish, drawn to the surface by the lights, are then scooped from the water with precision and skill. On a larger scale, commercial fishing vessels employ more sophisticated techniques, utilizing advanced technology to maximize their catch. They might use purse seine nets, which are designed to encircle and capture large schools of fish efficiently. These large nets encircle entire schools of fish, making it possible to harvest significant quantities in a single operation. Another method is the use of fish aggregating devices, or FADs, which are strategically placed to attract fish. These floating objects attract fish, concentrating them for easier capture, and are often used in conjunction with other fishing techniques. The location of these fishing grounds is carefully chosen based on extensive knowledge and experience. Fishermen consider factors like water temperature, currents, and the presence of plankton, which are crucial for locating fish. Plankton are a primary food source for flying fish, and their abundance can indicate the presence of fish. The fishing season varies depending on the region, with each area having its peak times for different species. It is dictated by the migratory patterns of the fish, which are influenced by environmental conditions and the availability of food sources. Once caught, preserving the freshness of flying fish is paramount. These fish are a delicacy, and their quality must be maintained from the moment they leave the water. These fish are highly perishable, meaning they can spoil quickly if not handled properly. The delicate nature of their flesh makes them particularly susceptible to damage. Their delicate flesh requires careful handling and preservation. Fishermen must be meticulous in their methods to ensure the fish remain in prime condition. Speed is of the essence to maintain the quality of the catch. The faster the fish are processed and preserved, the better their quality will be when they reach consumers. Fishermen employ various methods to ensure the fish remain fresh. These methods are often a combination of traditional practices and modern technology. One common technique is immediate chilling. This method is crucial in slowing down the natural decomposition process. This involves placing the fish in ice slurries on the boat. The ice slurry rapidly lowers the temperature of the fish, which is essential for preserving their freshness. This rapidly lowers their temperature, slowing down decomposition. The cold environment helps to keep the fish in a state close to their natural habitat. Another method is to keep the fish alive in tanks of seawater. This technique is often used for species that can survive longer out of their natural environment. This is particularly common in smaller-scale fisheries. These operations often have the flexibility to use more labor-intensive methods. This method ensures the fish remain at their freshest until they reach the shore. Keeping the fish alive until they are ready to be processed guarantees maximum freshness. However, it requires specialized equipment and careful monitoring of water conditions. The water must be kept clean and at the right temperature to ensure the fish remain healthy. Transportation to processing facilities also plays a crucial role in maintaining freshness. The journey from the boat to the processing plant must be as quick and efficient as possible. Refrigerated trucks or boats are often used. These vehicles are equipped to maintain a consistently cool temperature, which is vital for preserving the fish. These maintain a consistently cool temperature during transport. The cold chain must not be broken to ensure the fish arrive in the best possible condition. The goal is to minimize the time between capture and processing. The quicker the fish are processed, the fresher they will be when they reach the consumer. This ensures the fish retain their flavor and texture. Freshness is key to delivering a high-quality product that meets consumer expectations. The journey from ocean to factory is a critical link in the supply chain. It is a carefully orchestrated process. Each step is designed to maintain the quality of the fish. The methods employed vary depending on the distance to the processing facility and the scale of the operation. In some cases, fishing vessels deliver their catch directly to factories located near the coast. This minimizes transportation time, ensuring optimal freshness. In other instances, the fish are transported to larger processing hubs further inland. Trucks equipped with refrigeration units are commonly used for inland transportation. These units maintain a constant temperature, preventing spoilage. For longer distances, air freight might be employed, especially for high-value exports. Upon arrival at the factory, the fish undergo a series of inspections. This is to ensure they meet quality standards. Factors considered include size, freshness, and any signs of damage. The fish are then weighed and sorted, ready for the next stage of processing. In the world of culinary arts, precision and care are paramount. Every ingredient is meticulously selected, every step carefully executed. It's not just about cooking, it's about creating an experience that tantalizes the senses and leaves a lasting impression. Imagine the thrill of seeing a flying fish on your plate. This isn't just any seafood, it's a delicacy that embodies the spirit of the ocean. Prepared with expert hands, it promises a burst of flavors that transport you to the very waters where it once soared. Sustainability is key in ensuring a future for flying fish. Responsible fishing practices and mindful consumption are essential. By protecting their habitats and regulating harvests, we can enjoy these unique creatures today and preserve them for generations to come. The journey of the flying fish from net to plate is a fascinating one. It starts with the skillful catch, followed by careful handling to maintain freshness. Then, it's all about the artistry of the chef, transforming the raw catch into a culinary masterpiece that delights and satisfies.